Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Gradient Mesh Style Background in Photoshop using Custom Shapes. First, I open Photoshop and create a large canvas so gradients have room to blend smoothly. Now I select the Custom Shape tool and place several large organic shapes across the canvas. I duplicate these shapes and slightly move them to overlap each other naturally. Next, I assign different soft colors to each shape to simulate a gradient mesh effect. Then I reduce opacity on some shapes so colors blend visually. After that, I adjust shape positions to remove any harsh edges. I zoom out to check overall balance and color harmony. Finally, I fine-tune spacing until the background feels soft and